Welcome back to PresCo. I'm the BiznessPres, and today we're looking at daily trends. Let's do it. Let's bring it up. Bang! Bitcoin here. We're at XRP. The main reason for today's video, you'll see why in a minute. We've got a bit of Songbird and something about Songbird. So guys, smash the like button. You didn't see any of that, just said, ha! Smash the like button if you want to see what's behind my face. So, Bitcoin still consolidating on the top of this range in our target zone. It's pulling back to the 50. It's slowing down momentum. We get to see whether it wants to have a quick dump or whether it's going to hold this bull flag and pump. It's the start of the month. I'm expecting a pump, but what I'm expecting doesn't have to be right. As long as we're making a higher low above this black line, then we're all good. We're all good. And where the 50 is, this black line can move up. I think we did this last time. We move that there and create another kind of baseline of support here. I'm gonna save that this time. Alright, so that's Bitcoin, still doing the same thing for about a week or so. You know, it hit its bull flag target and we're just going sideways. What that's given everything else is a chance to have a quick pump here and there. And a lot of the altcoins are exploding. This one in particular, XRP. Now, this is where we bought the position the other day and we had 2 juicy green days. And now we're getting this indecision candle. Alright, and momentum's come well above the 50 and our MACD is crossed up. This is what is beginning to look like the start of a new daily trend for XRP. If that's the case, we could see us break out of this resistance and hit some juicy targets, maybe even go above all-time highs. Okay, above $4.50 here in the AUD pair. Yeah, it can happen. It can happen fast too. It could happen when XRP broke out of this triangle last time. Okay, yeah, we got one there, we got one there. We also got the bigger one. Alright, and when it broke out of this, we've seen what happened. We triple tops, come crashing down, the market crash, and we double bottomed there. Because this could be like a top, but I don't think it is. Because we got our resistance here, it broke out. We got our resistance here and it broke out. We've got the MACD crossing up from in the bearish zone, but now we've got it crossing up in the neutral zone. So if we get any further momentum here, any further follow through, XRP is going to do some crazy things like we all expect. I mean, look at this move back here before the SEC case. Yeah, it was a quick 2x and then it dumped, you know. But after the SEC case, if you're buying in like me, we had a quick 5x and then it dumped. And then from here to there, we've doubled our money. I've doubled my money. Thought I got mum in down here, but no, just got mum in then before the pump. So mum, if you're watching, if you're listening, congratulations. You're part of the XRP community. Okay, so what we're looking for now is a trend line to establish itself, a supporting trend line to establish itself. That's a bit on the low side, because when we come into these low areas, we see the kind of bearish momentum, bearish price action that we get. So if we can establish support above the 40 and breaking out above the 60, then we get what we want to see. Okay, right now we're above the 60. I can expect us to come down, retest some moving averages, the support, the breakout retest. Now, this isn't a clean, decisive breakout, but when I was buying this position here, it could literally go either way. We're here, we could bear out on the 50 and we could come to new lows. And I said that on the video, if that happens, I'm buying more. But we broke the other way, so now I'm just sitting pretty. What happens next? Okay, do we get the retest? Or are we trying to flip some levels? If we can flip some levels. We can come down to support here. And go. We could. That's what I'm expecting. And that's what could happen. Alright. That's for XRP anyway. It looks interesting. It looks like we were starting some big moves. And that's about the time for it too. It's only 2 months left to go in the macro window. Alright. This bull market. Expect things to come crashing down 50-70% at the end of the year, the start of next year. Okay, so it's about time we're seeing some upward momentum with XRP. Okay, this XRP BTC pair, you see they're quite the oscillators. We've made some pretty big moves in XRP, but it just doesn't show up on the Bitcoin pair. You know, it seems like we just flipped this level here, so when we can flip this level, we can move up over 5x in terms of Bitcoin pair. Now what I see is we tag green here. This is the SEC case, so this is pretty much where everything gets wiped out. This is where all the panic sets in, no one wants it anymore, everyone hates XRP. The funny thing is, we're up. We're delisted on exchanges, but we're up. Okay, and when we've made this big move, retraced, up again, retraced, I'm looking at a bottom. Alright, I'm looking at a bottom with a bit of bullish divergence. Okay? And if we break out of this downtrend, we're making a little impulse. What I would expect to see from the XRP Bitcoin pair is we hold this level as a bottom, break out, retest, and start a new trend. That's what I'm expecting, okay? At this stage, Bitcoin's done its thing. It's done huge things, you know? Yeah, it could go to 100K, yeah, it could go to 200K, but where's that from here? You know, that's 3 times your money. You know, a double, a triple. All right, congratulations. Where's XRP going from here? A triple to the first target, which is all-time high resistance. And then we've got a 5x to the actual target, to the pattern analysis target. And then it's not even finished yet. That's just wave 2. We can still expect the pullback and then a wave 3. Whereas Bitcoin, this is its wave 3. This is the final wave of the final wave of the final wave. Shout out to everyone studying XRP. And this last one for today is Songbird. Okay, we're watching it since down here. I was telling you guys my strategy. Got it for free here. Was buying everything down here. And now pretty much we're in this triangle. We broke out of it. Alright, I was actually looking it up here. And for whatever reason, I didn't take any profits. Okay, I expected us to hold this and maybe push up higher. But when we come down here, I'm like, yeah, all right, we had our flush down. And we're probably going to come up from here. But however, I was pretty wrong. Okay, we've seen the bearish momentum come through. Okay, a lot of people were taking targets, as they should. And we could have bought it 30% cheaper. Could have, but I didn't. But now it looks like we're bottoming out. We could pick up. If we start to flip the 50 here, I mean, we didn't make a lower low. We didn't make a lower low. In terms of the macro, this is only the 1 hour. It doesn't mean a great deal, but this low, hell, this low got touched. Okay, this is like that head and shoulders pattern. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So I'm going to go and draw a line there. And that's our line in the sand for now. Okay, and that was the previous bottom. Now it's getting touched again. So if we can find support here, and start to flip up, And that's what I would expect. That's what I would expect, yeah. So we hit some targets. I mean, this thing's been nothing but bullish since it come out. This is first real shakeout, you know? And on the 4 hour, we're getting rejected there by the looks of it. So we could come down one more time. Haven't got a divergence yet, not on the 4 hour. And on the 4 hour is a bit more important time frame. Even on the 1 hour, there's no real divergence. So we could see lower prices. We could see lower prices. But I'm not worried in the slightest because I bought this dip. Okay? I loaded a whopping 200 Australian dollars. Oh my God. To get my Songbird total to over 1,000. And this is why. This is a bit of mucking around, but if you've moved crypto around before, you understand how it works. I had to set up a MetaMask. I had to set up a Songbird for that MetaMask. I had to send up a Songbird and a wrap Songbird account. But then once I did that, I integrated the MetaMask with this best FTSO.xyz website, and which I could wrap my Songbird, delegate my Songbird, and if I delegated over 1,000, look at this quest here, number 4. Quest number 4. Alright, if we go to the NFTs page, this is what I'll be winning, guys. At the end of the week, this is what I could have my first NFT. Oh, what a better NFT to have than the XRP? Absolutely insane. So, this is what they're going for right now. They're selling for about 900 Songbird each. It's pretty good. Pretty good. So if we get it for free, I can make free $500. But if I hold it till Songbird rises up a bit, maybe $2, $5, maybe $10, who knows where this thing's actually going to go? If it's anything like Kusama, which is about $500, I mean, you don't know. This thing is new. This thing is so new, and it's decentralized finance, and there's so much value being come onto it and being locked in. It's been out for a month. Guys, it's been out for a month. We just hit our first low, our first higher low. I'm pretty bullish on this thing. So at the end of the week, when I get my rewards, I'm going to have a juicy NFT. See, earn passive income. Earn Songbird, staking a Songbird. Earn rare NFTs. You get 1 NFT point per day for every 1,000 delegated. That's why I had to get 1,000 on here. So I can get these NFT points. I can start buying NFTs for free with the rewards that I get from staking a Songbird. Alright? Plus getting this juicy NFT, plus earning more Songbird. I mean, at this stage of the market, Songbirds is this low. We're at the bottom. We're at the bottom. Yeah, it could come down a little bit lower. Could come down another 20%. But we're at the bottom. It's only been a month. This thing's barely even got a day chart yet. Imagine when this thing breaks out of resistance, start trending upwards. Imagine when this thing has some kind of parabolic move, like everything else ever. You know? What happens then? That's why I've staked 1,000 of them. So I can set and forget, can earn these rewards, and when everything comes out and explodes and the ecosystem's flourishing and the price appreciates, it goes into price discovery, then I can start to sell. Alright, I'm just hold over my wallet, my portfolio, my hodls, because if I'm holding something for a long time, it better be giving me rewards like this. Otherwise, why? Might as well just put it onto Bybit and try and trade it in the futures. But yeah, that's where we're at. Bought 7 positions the other day. That was my last video. Here they are. Some have already pumped, some haven't. That'll be the next video. We'll look at whether we're going to increase the position, where some stop losses should be, and some risk management and things like that. Alright. First thing of risk management is we buy on support. And if we're looking for a breakout, even better. Alright. So guys, Bitcoin's still trending sideways, still consolidating. XRP potentially just broke out of a daily resistance. And Songbird, I bought the dip. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Smash the like button, leave a comment, leave a description, comments, read the description. The website's in there, links are in there for everything, how to get started, how to set up, how to stake, shit like that, stuff like that. So yeah, guys, I'm the BiznessPres. Have a good day. Bye for now.